In this video, you'll learn how to change your email address on eBay. This process will ensure your account notifications are sent to the correct email address, enhancing your account security and communication. Begin by signing in to your eBay account through the website or mobile app. Once you have logged in successfully, locate your profile menu, which is typically represented by your user icon or name at the top of the screen. Click on this menu to access a drop-down list of options. Navigate to the section labeled Account Settings. This area allows you to manage various aspects of your account. Within Account Settings, look for either personal information or contact details. Here you will find your current email address displayed, which indicates that you are in the correct section to start updating it. Next to your existing email address, you will see an option labeled Edit. Click on this option to proceed. A text field will appear, prompting you to enter the new email address you wish to associate with your eBay account. Ensure that the email you enter is valid and accessible, as eBay will send verification instructions to this address. It is crucial to double-check the spelling of the new email address to prevent any errors during the update process. By changing your email, you ensure that all account notifications are directed to the new address you provided. After entering the new email, review the information thoroughly before moving on. After you have entered your new email address, eBay will typically send a verification message to that email. Open your email inbox and look for the message from eBay. Follow the confirmation instructions included in that email. This step is essential as it verifies that you own the new email address. Once you have followed the verification instructions, the system will automatically update your account information with the new email address. This means your new email will now be used for logging in and receiving notifications. Keeping your contact details updated is important for maintaining account security. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. And catch you in the next tutorial.